So you decided to beat the economy, did you? You bought some cheap things at the store. You got cheap pizzas. Yay! And so you cooked them, and then you ate them, and you realized, wow, I didn't know how cheap a cheap pizza could be. But never fear, Jim is here again. And you can beat the economy with a cheap pizza instead of simply taking it and throwing it in the trash. Welcome to Help at Home, your resource for great recipes and easy learning. I'm Jim Hightower. Today, we're going to beat the economy, we're going to beat that high inflation, and we're going to have a good, delicious, cheap pizza, but you have to do a little fixing on it first. So, this isn't a recipe, it's one of those easy learnings. So, get your favorite or not so favorite cheap pizza, and a pizza pan. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees. I have my cheap pizza, and it says that it's a combination pizza. Sausage, pepperoni, seasoned pork, chicken, and beef. As I look at this, I see maybe beef, maybe pepperoni. And that's not going to feed Big Jim. If you hadn't noticed, I'm a big boy. And one of these little things, that's my oven preheated to 450. One of these little things is usually a snack. Cut it into 4 pieces, eat it, and then say what's for dinner. Well, yes. But one evening, I just got an idea in my head. And here's what it was. Why not fix this up to where it tastes like a full regular pizza, and you get full and you're happy, and it is cheaper to your wallet. So, I went to my pantry and I found a can of sliced olives, a can of sliced mushroom pieces and stems, and of course we have shredded cheese. Now, you can put anything on there you want, but these are the 3 simple things that I like. And if we call this meat and let it go, then this will fix it up some more. Now, impeccably clean hands. So, yes, I'm going to put the olives on, and if you're looking there, look how pretty. Automatically, that just makes it look more delicious, more expensive. And so, there you go. Then, I'm going to put on some mushrooms. And I know some of my friends don't like mushrooms. And all I can say is more for me. It's kind of like people that don't like tomato sauce. Well, there's more spaghetti for me and more pizza for me. Anywho, or you can make an alternative to that if you don't like it. But, alright. You know, a little bit more. And then, a little bit more. It's not going to hurt. Okay, I'll set that over there. Then I have my shredded cheese, and I'm just gonna put some on there. Cheese seems to be forever lacking, especially on a cheap pizza. So there you go. Now, if you had bacon, ham, whatever you've got, you could put it on there. But you might be saying, well, good thing he's putting on vegetables. He needs to lose weight. You got a point there. So I'm doing that. Into your oven, 450 degrees, of course, about 20 minutes. Check it at 15, see how it's going. Middle rack. Here is my pizza just out of the oven. couple of minutes ago, and it's beautiful. You could put it under the broiler if you wanted to have a more golden crust or anything, or I mean a more golden top. But look at that. By the way, the holes in this pan make it to where the heat comes through and gives you that nice crisp crust. You don't need to put foil or anything over a pizza pan like this. Write that one down. So, all I need to do is cut this up into 2 pieces or 4 pieces. And that is a full meal. I could have a salad with it and not be hungry for the rest of the night. Easily, even without the salad. So, this was again one of those easy learning opportunities. Not necessarily a recipe, unless you call it a recipe for beating inflation. I've been wanting to do this, and I thought, but I thought you had a right to know. Take things that you can get for less and make them appear like they cost even more. And nobody will even know it. Well, I'm going to do a glamour shot. I'm not going to taste test it. I know it tastes wonderful, and it's going to be my dinner in a minute. So, we'll come back for the glamour shot. If you like this video for how to beat inflation by fixing up a cheap pizza the way you like it and turn it into a dinner you can love, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe and share with your friends who like to cook or just want to learn how. Drop me a line in the comments below about your experiences with fixing up a cheap pizza and what did you do. I'm always telling people, if you do something, let me know. Email it to me, helpathomegym@gmail.com. I'll post it into the community tab and give you a shout out. Click the bell below the video for all notifications, and you'll receive new notifications in the top right hand corner bell. I'm Jim Hightower, and remember, everyone needs help, especially on a hot day. Even me. Enjoy and be well. That was the ice maker. I like these. If you like this recipe, you don't. It's not a recipe. Click the bell below the video and access all new flopper. I'm trying to hurry, kids. It's hot. Hot. Even at 9:30 at night. Moving on. If you like this recipe, not a recipe. So I have my... I can't do it because it is cheap. Anyway.